Hi, I'm Dr. Khurrum Shaukat Yusafzai, founder of Hyperbaric Medical Society of Pakistan. Today I'm going to tell you about Ksybiz, one of my favorite manufacturer of flexible hyperbaric chambers. And I'm going to tell you why its products are so special and unique. So let's begin. The Hyperbaric Medical Society of Pakistan recommends the Ksybiz Hyperbaric Chamber manufacturers because of their high quality and variety of choices of different models. For example, the HP701, the smallest one, it is the very popular model which compresses at 1.3 atmosphere. So there is another model called HP702 which compresses at 1.5 atmosphere. So the models which end with 1 are actually compressing at 1.3 atmosphere, and the model which ends at 02 in the end compresses at 1.5 atmosphere. The HP801 is a very popular model, especially in the Americas. This model is very beautiful and spacious from inside. It has beautiful windows on the top as well as at the sides, and this is a very high selling model of Ksybiz. There is a bigger model than HP801. That model is also available. The HP801 is also available in new colors because the older one is provided in blue color. The new color is sort of greenish, parrot green in color, and this enhances the beauty of the model 801. The HP901 is a bigger model than the 801, and this is sufficient for 2 people sometimes inside, which can maybe sit apart from lying, and this model is pretty popular. The HP1501 is the solid steel model. This is good for clinics where a solid design is needed for the frequent visitors and the lot of patients who visit the commercial clinics of doctors and the health and wellness clinics. This model has got air conditioning also offered in this model, and some models have only the dehumidifier or the cooler. The HP1700 is a model which is suitable for a person to sit inside or lie because of its very special design. This is a very popular model, and there is a bigger one available called HP2200. As you can see, both the models lying side by side, and you can compare the sizes of both. As you can see, the HP2200, this model is the one which is provided with the dehumidifier or the cooler. You can see at the side the attachment for the cooler. This is the air conditioner model of HP2200, and as you can see, the 4 outlets or the inlets are which are different than the two provided on the cooler model. The HP air conditioner unit provides a better cooling, and that's a very special feature of Ksybiz. It provides an air conditioning unit along with the flexible hyperbaric chamber, which the other manufacturers don't provide. The air conditioning unit attached with this 2200 model is shown in the picture.
The difference between without chiller and with chiller. You can see the temperature is much lower, and the humidity as well. Very cool.
The Ksybiz also offers veterinary models for the pets that you love, and the special solid hyperbaric chambers would heal the pets and make them well, just like it does for the human beings. The solid veterinary hyperbaric chambers would mix the air and the oxygen, and there is no need of mask inside for the pets. Ksybiz gives you highly customizable designs and logos, and they offer you very beautiful customized colors and shapes and logos that would suit your business. So that's the reason I like Ksybiz. The uniqueness of products of Ksybiz puts it in a superior position, and the quality and the different variety of the models are evident that Ksybiz offers so many unique models that cater to the taste of the different segments of the society. So I wish Ksybiz well, and take care. Bye.